Hi guys, today we're learning how to recover deleted files from iCloud storage on iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Safari browser. We'll use Safari to access your iCloud account and recover recently deleted files. Make sure you have an active internet connection before continuing. Now, tap the search bar at the bottom of Safari and search for iCloud. From the search results, open the official iCloud website to continue with the recovery process. Once the iCloud page opens, tap Sign In and log in with your Apple account. After signing in successfully, you'll be taken to your iCloud homepage where all your account options are available. Next, tap the menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will open additional iCloud options and settings that you can access from your account. From the available options, tap Data Recovery. This section contains recovery tools for files and other data that may still be eligible for restoration. After opening Data Recovery, tap Restore Files. If any recently deleted files are available, they'll appear in the list for you to review. If you see the file you want to recover, select it and tap Restore. Your file will be restored to your iCloud account. If no files appear, it means there aren't any recoverable files available at the moment. And that's how you can recover deleted files from iCloud storage on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.